we I was starting to do it when it was coming back down. Now, what have I made? I've made a mistake here. This should be negative 8.85. So what I want to do is I want to, and I started getting into this, and see, this one got all screwed up because it's the um, it got all messed up because we got to use vectors. So that's why I don't like that formula for this particular problem. So when it's coming back down, when it reaches half its velocity again, or half its speed, but the velocity of it, the final velocity then would be negative 8.85 meters per second. Okay, that's how fast it's coming. So how long did it take to get there? So t is equal to negative 8.85 minus, now this is from when it's gone up and now it's coming back down, where v naught is equal to 0, and now we're seeing at it's down here where v final is equal to negative 8.85 meters per second. You got to keep the direction in mind, and I was doing an amateur mistake. So the time is equal to that divided by the negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay? Divided by the negative 9 point, that's the time it took to get to that. So that, and I needed the time to be positive, and it is. So I've got negative 8.85 divided by negative 9.8. This might be one of those things where I am doing too much explaining, and sometimes when you explain too much, you confuse. Okay, so that's t equals 9.03 seconds. So I can get y final then is equal to y initial plus v naught times t, where the initial velocity is 0, times t, minus 1/2 gt squared. Okay, so taking care of that. Now y final then is, y initial is at 16, so y final is equal to 16, this is 0, minus 1/2 of 9.8 is 4.9 t squared. So y final is equal to 16 minus 4.9 times 0.903 squared. Ah, 12 meters. It's at 12 meters in both of them. So at the same height, it's going the same speed. Symmetry. Isn't that cool? I love it. Okay, good. We're done here. This is video number 8. Sorry, it's a lot of video, but this is one of the most important things we're going to, you got to get a good handle on this, otherwise we're screwed.